Hi, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to test out, I just got this and I thought, well, I'll do a first impression with you. This is the Grande Cosmetics GrandeLash Lift Heated Lash Curler. And I've never tried one of these, so I just thought it would be good to show if you've never tried one and you're just getting this for the first time. I have not read through the instructions or anything yet, what it would be like. What is it hard to learn or not? So you have the box. Little beauty solutions that work. Your instruction booklet. This is what it looks like. And then you have your USB charging cable. It looks kind of like an iPhone cable. And let me read through real quick. So it says, take your lashes to new heights with the latest in curling innovation. GrandeLash Lift is a high-tech heated lash curler with a portable USB rechargeable cable. You can lift lashes without pinching, crimping, and avoid typical lash breakage experience after traditional eyelash curlers. And they have some before and after pictures. Then it gives you kind of a breakdown of the device, the curler. I guess I don't know. So it does come, it says fully charged for up to 2 hours of use. When the indicator light flashes for low battery power signal, please charge the product. The LED light remains red when charging. The light will turn green when 100% fully charged. It takes approximately 2 hours to fully charge via USB charging port. Here is about how long it is. Here is what it looks like itself. We're going to press and hold the oval button for 2 seconds to power it on. We have the green light. Wait 30 seconds for the curler to heat up. And when the red silicone sensor on the upper tip of the device changes from red to white. So that is the upper tip. So we will wait. There it is, white. I thought that this showed green, but then when I go like that, that is a darker green. So that is the high setting, and then you got to power it back on. So to me that looks green, but I guess that's yellow for them. I guess when you really look at the little light, it is yellow. So when you first start it, it is a low setting, which makes sense. So is it like this on her? Oh yeah, you can feel the heat. There's probably some a little bit of a learning curve to this, just to feel comfortable with how hot to go or how long to leave it on your lashes. Oh, now see, on the box instructions, it doesn't say that in the booklet. It says pull upward along the lashes for at least 10 seconds for a beautiful upswept curl. I should say that in the booklet too. Okay. Well, it did make a little bit of a difference. A little bit more of a curl, like on the outer edges, you can see. But I feel like I was expecting a little bit more dramatic. So this is, I haven't done it, and this eye I have. So like, I think that you can see like right over here a little bit. I'm gonna put it to the high temperature and see what that does. Put on mascara using the Essence Lash Princess. See what that does. And it looks like it's probably already cooled off because the tip is already turning back to pink. So let's see if you can tell a difference. I have the lash, I use the lash curler. Just looking up. Can you tell a difference? I think a little bit. I think that there's probably a learning curve to it because I was so afraid, like I didn't want to go too long on my lashes. I didn't want to burn them or anything. And I don't know I think that maybe I need to go back a little bit more. But I do think that there is a little bit more uptick in this lash than on this eye. So I do think that, like right here, I feel like you can really tell there's a little bit more uptick. And yeah, I don't know if I'm like blown away with it on first impression, but I'm gonna keep trying it out, and then later I will do a review on it if you're interested. If you're not, I'll just do a review on Instagram. But if you are interested in seeing a review video, give me a thumbs up down below and leave me a comment that yes, you would like to see a review video on this. Otherwise, I will assume no and just do that over on Instagram. But I think that my first impression is it does give a little bit. I'm not sure if I needed to go a little bit more. It does make me feel better that I'm not like crimping my lashes, because I do always wonder what the effect of that is. But I kind of was expecting it to be like woof, and maybe my expectations were just a little too high. It's probably pretty much the same as when I curl my lashes with a traditional one. So I think that that is good. And I probably, if I use it more, it would be a quicker process. So overall, I'm glad I got it. I'm definitely going to keep trying it. And I think once you kind of just get used to it and know like how long to do it, that it would probably be just as quick process as a traditional one, maybe a little bit longer, but I think if you know, then you just would go like boop, boop, boop. So yeah, I'm happy I got it. It feels cool to the touch already. So cools off very quick. So if you're traveling or something, you don't have to worry about that. Final thoughts on my first impression is I'm glad I got it. Do I think it's like, ooh, gonna blow me away? Probably not unless it changes, but I think that it will make me feel better of curling my lashes this way instead of doing the crimping motion. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.